Welcome back to Radio TV, my viewers and subscribers. What's up? It's been a while. I'm not post no content on the platform. I just show certain setback why I'm not post no content on the platform. My viewers and subscribers. Thanks a lot, subscribe and new subscribe. My long time support. I big up on yourself. Thanks to the support and give to the channel. See you way. So, viewers and subscribers, this was my Friday evening. My bridging leave work and we walk through every tree and but there are what a reason I'm saying no, I video this and show me subscribe and we'll go on nice street on a 110 Friday. But they have it on my laptop for a while now for post it, but I never post it because I never have the device to post it on myself. Alright, here I'm gonna edit that video and post it and I'm gonna see how the streets stay on a Friday evening, especially on a mountain Friday. Everybody I try to make it go. You know, the officers are direct traffic school children just leave school, you know, say, well, people up on the road and it's the whole thing, people are hustle, you know. So people big up on themselves, thanks to the live for the likes and the support when I give to the channel and we're there, keep it positive. We're not going to not negative people. I start post pure positive content. I start post content where I encourage the elder them, you know, the young people them. I don't start, you know, just do my content, nobody content me now post on the channel again. Cause I'm there on YouTube for a while now, I sit back. I'm just go back in my corner, I'm learn and you know, I observe and I say, alright, then you just be yourself on YouTube. So I say all of the YouTube anyway, young like me, just be yourself. When you come on YouTube, just be yourself. Don't try to be like nobody. So you're gonna find on a true self on YouTube. Just be yourself, post your content, don't afraid to make mistake, and just keep focus and just be just determined. All good people. Peace, I'm out.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer
Big up. Future. People, as I say, football match or play a stadium because I don't check. So, enough people now reach them here tonight. They're about 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock before enough people reach them here tonight because traffic enough on the road. That's how the road say.
Some not even know about the pain, them over feel come to feel the one of them Maria
Stay.